Do you think AI is good or bad? Now, my wife thinks AI is ruining everything. She's a real creative person and she loves to paint, she loves to draw, she loves art. And if you're about the same, you too must be thinking that AI is bad. And I know a lot of artists, musicians, writers who do think AI is there to replace them. And it can be very frustrating, I know it. Many people think that AI is ruining it for everyone. But let's look at it in a different light. AI is not stealing from us, it's helping us unlock many things which we possibly could not. So imagine this, you have AI glasses, AI earphones, which sees and hears everything. And say you have misplaced, say, your keys. It could be telling you your keys are under the sofa. Or your hotel key card, it will be telling you that it's near the fridge where you left that leftover cheesecake. So literally, AI could be a personal assistant to you without the salary and without the office drama. Also, things like AI you can use to build an app. I built an app in about 10 minutes without knowing any coding, just by using AI. And looking at it 2 years or 3 years back, I would never be able to do that if I did not know coding. And I used it to build an app which tracks what medicines you're taking every day or so. So this would be good for people who are taking medications every day and who need to track all of that. So something like this, I would never have able to build. So I'll link to this video in case you want to see how I did it, how you can do it also with free AI apps. Okay, it's somewhere up. So now the real question is AI going to take your job? The short answer is yes. The long answer is going to create new ones basically. So some jobs will disappear, but they would more or less be transformed. Think of it like the posters. Earlier days, people would hand paint posters. Nowadays, things like Photoshop, After Effects are there. Now, basically, the jobs did not disappear, they just evolved. So the question is, should you learn these new skills? I think if you want to stay relevant, you have to. Now, I do not know how many of you watching here are from the pre-internet days. I am. I remember in those pre-internet days where in case you would need to say transcribe or find the lyrics of a song, you would have to play it on your cassette player, rewind it, fast forward, pause it to get to know what the singer was bumbling. And maybe even 2 hours later, you were still trying to figure out, was it glove or love, he said. Yeah. So nowadays, you can just Google it. You can get the lyrics. You can get the chords. You're not stuck figuring out what things are there, what exactly it was that that person was saying. And maybe in those 2 hours, you are actually playing that song. So you can see how things have changed. It's just a mindset change that we need to evolve with. Now, the beautiful part is it has leveled the playing field. Now, you do not have to have been born with a silver spoon in your mouth. You do not have to always have access to expensive tools. Nowadays, with just curiosity and a phone, you possibly can do amazing things. Now, I know it might feel scary to try to do something with AI, but the fact of the matter, it's not going anywhere. It's here to stay, and it's just going to get bigger and better. And if you're not getting in at the ground floor, you are going to be missing out. Also, AI is going to free up your time. You can use that time to do other things, to explore further, do more intricate things. And the world is moving on in this direction. And if, like I said, if you're not jumping in now, it possibly will be too late if you're trying to get in maybe 2-3 years down the line. So if you're curious and want to start small, I've left a link to my whole playlist where I show you how to use AI to build things like create content, create videos using AI, build the apps, etc., etc. You do not need a degree. You just need few software tools. Most of them are free. You can always use the free versions. So I'll catch you in the other video. Take care.